Hi there, I am recording this video to explain you where you can download the source code from. It might sound like a no-brainer to many students, but again it is a question which I have received a couple of times from the students. So there are three places where you can download the source code. The first one is when you're watching a video. For example, if I'm watching this lesson and I hover the mouse over the screen over the video, I get this icon here. I will click it and a list of videos will open. Here you see. So when you see this down arrow next to any video lecture, that means that there is something which can be downloaded. For example, in the first section we have the slides, the PowerPoints. In the next sections we have source code exact solution files which you can open with Visual Studio. For example, we have this TCP server 01 over here. And if you go to the next section, we have TCP client 01, TCP server 01. So the source code is exactly according to the specific section. Like when I was preparing these lectures, I would write a piece of source code, and once the solution or the project will be up to date, I would upload a copy to Udemy. So that's how I have done it. So this is the first way to find your source code. Expand the section and go down and see these. Okay. What's the second way? The second way is to go to the course content tab, and on the course content tab, if you scroll down, you will expand the various sections and you will again see this down arrow right under the name of the lecture. Okay, this TCP server, these things over here, these are source codes relevant to the specific video. So you will get the up-to-date source. It's not like entire source code is jumbled up. No, you will get the relevant source code, and here are some slides as well. So you can just simply click any one of these and the download will start. Last but not least, we also have the GitHub repositories. These are open repositories on the GitHub. If you go to GitHub, and basically these are the URLs. If you go to these GitHub URLs, which I will show on the screen and which I will also put in the slideshow which I have attached to this specific video, you will be able to clone or download the complete source code of these projects, the TCP client and TCP server. So I hope you would have found this video useful. Please feel free to ask more questions. If you have any problem during the course, I would love to answer. It is always a pleasure. Thank you very much and see you next time.